Pursuing a career as a financial analyst is promising due to its excellent exit opportunities. Once you secure the job, you'll tackle diverse tasks to sharpen your technical, analytical, and business skills. And within a few years, you'll be prepared for the next career phase. In this video, we'll explore exciting career prospects after establishing a robust foundation in financial analysis. Hey everyone, my name is Ned. Earlier in my career, I worked as a financial analyst at PwC and Coca-Cola, and I'm eager to share my insights with you. But before we proceed, please like the video and subscribe for weekly, insightful career content. Okay, great. So, which are the most compelling exit opportunities you can pursue as a financial analyst? After a few years, you can expect promotion to a senior financial analyst or team lead role in larger companies. This position involves technical tasks and managing several junior staff members. Gaining experience in managing personnel is critical to growing professionally. Senior financial analysts play a key role in high-level decision-making, briefing senior management on financial performance, shaping reports, and ensuring all necessary information is optimally presented. With a solid performance, you could assume these responsibilities by your second or third year as a financial analyst. Another career step for financial analysts is the rare direct jump to finance manager. Most executives prefer to assign finance manager responsibilities to senior financial analysts with team management experience and proven team leading skills. If you excel and find the right opportunity, you could advance to a finance manager position. In this role, you would oversee all financial operations and coordinate multiple teams, including accountants, controllers, financial analysts, internal auditors, and corporate finance staff. If you aim to become a firm's CFO, then landing a finance manager position is a must. Finance managers gain the necessary organizational and leadership skills required for the chief financial officer role. Having said that, the next two financial analyst exit opportunities are two positions that are suitable for individuals who want to develop their technical skills. The FP&A analyst and controller roles suit those eager to specialize and enhance their technical finance skills. Financial analyst experience positions you perfectly for these roles. If you continue your career as an FP&A analyst, you can expect to manage the company's budgeting and forecasting activities. Working at a small firm involves creating entire budgets and forecasts and directly engaging with management. Whereas in a larger firm, you might handle financial planning for specific business segments. FP&A analysts often earn more due to their specialized expertise. The same can be said for controllers, who have significantly higher salaries than financial analysts. A financial analyst role equips you with the essential skills to become a financial controller responsible for analyzing a company's activities' actual costs and profitability. Controllers focus on management accounting calculations, which diverge from traditional financial accounting standards. They aim to clarify the economic impact of business activities for decision-makers, enhancing informed decision-making. Controllers with strong performance and substantial experience often advance to positions like finance manager or CFO within their teams, making this a prime career progression opportunity for ambitious financial analysts. Lastly, I'd like to outline my journey. I've long aspired to be an entrepreneur, a dream that persisted through my university years. Knowing that practical experience within a company would be invaluable, I chose to work as a financial analyst. This position honed my technical skills, essential for grasping the financial dynamics of a business. Looking back, I deeply value the lessons from my time in consulting, working with diverse businesses, analyzing their performance, and gaining insights into successful strategies proved invaluable. My skills as a financial analyst also enabled meaningful discussions with seasoned business leaders, enriching my understanding further. Whether you aim to be an entrepreneur or pursue any business role, possessing financial analyst skills is highly advantageous. The 365 Financial Analyst platform, where I'm your instructor, is the top choice for rapidly acquiring essential financial analyst skills, such as accounting, Excel, financial planning, and analysis. My colleagues and I have diligently crafted the ideal learning platform we wished for early in our careers, synthesizing our practical knowledge. Be sure to click the link in the description. Investing in your technical and soft skills will yield the best long-term returns. Thank you for watching and see you in our next video.